Hey, in today's video, I will be collabing with Epic Waters. I will be unboxing and reviewing their Epic Water Pure Pitcher. This pitcher is said to filter out fluoride, chromium 6, glyphosate, microplastics, total trihalomethanes, chlorine, PFAS, and lead. So I will be testing it out because I don't drink tap water, y'all. I don't. I did not grow up drinking tap water, but I have drank tap water before. But I am a bottled water girl. Okay? Yeah. So, but it came with this sheet and this little booklet, which has, information on the filters. And I did look over it so I can make sure I was using it right. And I just wanted to show you evidence. Water. So yeah, I really do like the design of this. It is very like clean looking. I don't know, like that bamboo, like that was a nice touch. Okay, I really like that. And I didn't realize that the filter was right there until I started opening it up. So it's really cool. I'm really excited to try it out. And it kind of like flops like in a weird way to where it lifts, which I thought it was a nice design. And where I just peeled that sticker from, that is a tracker. It counts down from 90 days so that you know when to replace your filter. And I am one of them girlies that I clean everything that I get. I do not use straight out the box. So bear with me while I get together and don't mind the dishes in my sink. Okay, mind your business. Now, continue to watch this video if you want to hear about the giveaway that I have as well. Stay tuned, y'all. So I did fill this pitcher twice to filter it out, and of course I dumped the water out after each time I added water into it. I didn't fill the pitcher up until the third time and kept the water in there, and then I put the water in the fridge for a while after the third time. So this is the second time that I'm waiting for it to filter. Then I'm gonna dump that and fill it. But y'all, look, isn't this so cute? Like, I feel like such a, I don't know, it's my vibe though. I love the way it looks. I would just want to keep it just because of how cute I think it is. Isn't it? Countdown, I think that's so nice. So I was excited but nervous to try the water, so I'm not gonna lie. I pulled my kids into it and was like, hey, come try this water. So they were trying it out, and I don't think they're as harsh as a judge for waters as I am. I can taste the difference in waters just because, again, I've been drinking bottled water all my life. So, yeah. But my kids, they really did enjoy it. Again, I put this water in the fridge, and I think that's where I messed up for myself. I drank room temperature water, but I was still open to giving it a try. But I was thinking like I should have just left it out on the counter or something, because I don't like my water cold. But honestly, the taste was not bad. I did still taste chlorine, not fluorine. So I don't know if that's because I just don't drink tap water at all. But I kept like comparing the two, and I do know tap water is a bit more harsh than this water from when I did used to drink it, like back in the day. So it is fresher than what would normally come out of the sink, but I had to stick to my bottled water. Now for the giveaway, y'all. When I first started doing this collaboration, I was originally sent a water filter for the sink. So I was to hook this up to my kitchen sink, and the water would be filtered through, the sink. So I was going to go under the sink and connect it and all of that. I turned the water off and everything to make sure I was doing it right, like I was following all the steps. But when I finally got under the sink to hook everything up, I realized that my sink, it didn't have, like, the attachment wasn't what I needed. So now I'm just going through this box and showing you all what would be in the box. And this is what I'm giving away. This filter, these are, good prices. So I will have the links to the product below. Especially for this one, I will have the link for the setup. So if you do not apply, but if you do enter for the giveaway, just make sure your sink looks like what the video shows before you even, enter into the giveaway. They were kind enough to let me keep it and, do what I wanted with it, give it to someone, and I decided what's better than giving it to a subscriber. So in order to get this filter system, all you have to do is subscribe and comment below. Just anything about the video or your relationship with water, if you drink out of the tap or not or whatever. And make sure you're subscribed. And also at the end of your comment, just say #cleanwater. You have to be subscribed, and please put in your about tab, your email, so I can message you to get your winnings. So do that and get 15% off your first purchase when you put in the code TKLOW. Alright, everything will be in the description box below. See y'all soon.